It's Dr. Ware here for another episode of Talk Tuesday, and today's episode is specifically for my athletes and those of you who are foam rolling. Foam rolling can be great for a lot of things. I know a lot of people use it at the end of their workouts to kind of get a great stretch out of their muscles, and all that's fantastic. Foam rollers come in all kinds of sorts and sizes. There's a fancy one like this, which is just wrapped in a covering. There's the straight white foam. There's the all black ones, and then now they have the ones that even vibrate. Those are a little bit different, and they help in different ways. So when we're looking at foam rolling overall, a big thing that you have to keep in mind is that if you're a person who's going to ask your body to do something explosive, then you can't roll out before you try to go do that explosive event. So for example, I'm at a lot of track and field meets this time of year, and I see quite a few athletes before they race, they're foam rolling, and they're rolling nice and slow, and then they'll go and try to do some explosive event. So they're trying to sprint down the track in a hurry. Well, you can't sprint or ask your muscles to fire in that manner after you've already told them to relax and slow down. So in order to combat that, you probably want to use something smaller like a stick, or something like most people don't have a rock blade, but if you had a stick, you want to move really fast on your skin. It doesn't have to be really deep. You move it fast to kind of wake those muscles up. And in moving rapidly, you're basically telling those muscles, wake up, we're getting ready to fire. By moving slow, those long, slow strokes, you're asking your muscles to relax. So while foam rolling is great for after an event, to relax, it's not so great to warm up before an event. Now, the only little caveat to that is that there's the vibrating foam rollers, which are a little bit better in the sense that because of the rapid motion of vibration, it treats your muscles a little bit different, and they don't have the same, it's not the same slow response from it. But even with that, you still have to move it pretty quickly just to get your body stimulated, up and ready to go to compete on that level. So something that you need to keep in mind for those of you who are foam rolling, do it after, not before your competition. And if you're going to do something before your competition, stimulate with a very quickly rolling to stimulate those muscles, skin, and everything else. And it doesn't have to be very deep. This is Dr. J Ware from Hero Chiropractic on another Talk Tuesday. See you next week.